is partially dissenting in the second ground, has rejected all 4 grounds of appeal. Having rejected the entire appeal, the appeals chamber considers that the defense request for the immediate and unconditional release of Mr. Duterte is moot. In the appeal pursuant to Article 82(1)(a) of the statute, the appeals chamber may confirm, reverse, or amend the decision appealed. In the present case, the appeals chamber by majority confirms the impugned decision. Judge Lorquipanisse appends a partially dissenting opinion. This brings us to the end of the summary of the appeals chamber's judgment of today. Finally, I would like to end by thanking all the parties, participants, and their counsel, registry staff, and interpreters who have assisted with today's hearing. There is a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes to ensure that these hearings run smoothly, and the appeals chamber is very grateful to all of those involved, including to IMSS, for its efforts to make sure the courtroom's system are available for the present hearing. Finally, I would like to thank my